Hi, myself Akash. Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I am going to take seminar on the topic the human eye and the colorful world in physics. I am studying grade 10 in 369 Tesla. Okay, we can see we can see about the human eye in this chapter. Human eye is the most valuable and sensitive organ uh, comparing to other parts in the body. Yes, without eye we cannot see this wonderful and colorful world because without eyes, yes, it is possible to identify things without eyes by their smell, color, by their smell, taste, and by the touching sense of the sense of things. But it is not possible to identify colors. The colors make this wonderful and colorful world. So the human eye is the most valuable thing. Yes, there are many parts in the human eye. Yes, human eye has many types like iris, pupil, cornea, ciliary muscles, aqueous humor, vitreous humor, and retina, blind spot. Okay, well, let me tell about the iris. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm which controls the size of the pupil. The pupil is the thing which allows the amount of light that enter in our eyes. The amount of light which enter in our eyes goes by refraction on entering into the cornea of the eyes. Now we will see what is power of accommodation. Power of accommodation is the adjustment of the size of focal length to focus on the objects. The diameter of the eye is about 2.3 centimeter. The least distance possible to see an object clearly is known as the least short distance of the eye, which is of 2.5 centimeter, and the largest distance which we can see clearly for normal eyes is infinity. Yes, let me now tell about the blind spot. Yes, there are many 35 lakh people around our world who are blinds. In that, more than 60% of them are children. One pair of eyes can donate about 4 corneal patients. The eye transplantation, like cornea transplantation, take about only 15 minutes, which does not lead to any figure correction. And now I will talk about the glass prism. Yes, in the ancient days, everyone talked that black color and white color are the combination of colors in the world. But Newton told that it is a fake theory, and Newton proved that color is the combination of white light. Yes, white light will split into 7 colors. This was first discovered by Isaac Newton in 1660s. Isaac Newton once brought a glass prism on sunlight. The sunlight is white in color, and generally white color is composed of 7 colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. But you will think that it is difficult to memorize these colors. I will give you a trick. VIBGYOR, Vibgor. By this technique, we can remember these consecuting colors of white light. That is violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, yellow, and red. Red is the least scattering, and violet is the most scattering. And the rainbow is formed in our skies. That is because of the splitting of white light. The white light present in the sunlight will split into 7 colors, but in rainbow it is only visible as 5 colors to our naked eye, because of some atmospheric conditions. Here the raindrop will act as a prism. The raindrop, first the white light will enter into the raindrop during rainy period. In that, first on entering, first it will goes refraction refraction process, because raindrop is a denser medium, air is a rarer medium. When light passes from rarer medium to denser medium, it goes to refraction. Then it will goes under dispersion, which is the white light is white light is splitted into 7 colors, that is Vibgor. Yes, and next it will goes under refraction, and then it will again goes by refraction, and then it will form rainbow. This is the process of the formation of rainbow in the sky. Then you will ask a question, why sky is blue in color? Yes, I will tell you, because the atmosphere is composed of a fog, smoke, and dust particles in it by nature and by clouds. So when the sunlight enters into the atmosphere, it will goes under many refraction. So the light will blend. So the apparent position and the actual position mainly differs. That is, the actual position is much below the apparent position. So the white light goes under lower refraction, which is the least wave, which the least wavelength of the blue color appears. So the sky appears blue in color. But you may ask a question, why astronauts in the sky do not see a blue color sky? Because the answer is simple. Yes, there is no atmosphere in the sky, above the sky. So astronauts are unable to see the blue color of the sky. But people in the earth can see it, because there is atmosphere in the earth. And if a triangular prism is kept two side by side, it will again the 7 consecutive colors will form as the same white light, and comes as a pure white light. And now I will explain why stars twinkle. Yes, stars is more distance from our earth, and it is one source of light. It is only a point source of light, and a person who is seeing a star, this is also because of the scattering of light and the atmospheric refraction, because the starlight goes under many refraction on entering into our sky, because of the atmosphere. Because the atmosphere, as I said before, it has dust, smoke, and many other particles. So it will refract many layers and come into our eyes. So the apparent position and the original position of the stars differ. Also, the stars has a twinkling effect, because, as you know, the dust particles in the atmosphere is not constant in a place. It is moving in every places. So the dust particles move from place to place, the atmospheric refraction changes. So the biggerness of the star and the flattering of the star make a twinkling effect that